Hey, what's up guys? This is Cole Ambrose from Velshari Armory, and this is part 2 of forging a sword for Sellsword Arts. This is the blade so far. It's got like a long sword style tang with a square, semi-square shoulders. The blade tip, it's going to be single edge. I forged it out and then ground it to finish on the belt sander. That's 2x72 over there. That's Daisy. Can't really see her. So this is what we're going to be doing today, guys. I'm going to be giving this blade somewhat of a back curve. And while it's heating up, this is the trick I do. So when this is heated up, I'll hit the steel with the wooden table leg, I believe this is called. So let's get into this. It's going to take a moment to heat up, so we'll be back. It's slowly starting to get a back curve to it. There we go. Slowly starting to become similar to an all the time. And then I'll flatten it out. Back in the fire.
What?
There we go. But it broke on camera. Yeehaw! Yeah, no. So here's the blade right now. I think I'm going to try to give it a little bit more of a curve. Actually, no, I'm going to leave it like that. I like that. It gives it like a katana saber vibe. There we go. Perfect. Alrighty, now we're going to do something I've never done before. We're going to use this hydraulic press here named Chrome. And I'll show you how good this thing is. That's this furniture grade ash. Alrighty, y'all. See you in the next part. Straightening jig. You see it visibly straightening. There we go, guys. Alrighty guys, that was it for today. This is part 2 of filming and forging the blade for Sellsword Arts. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. You all are amazing. Again, this is Cole from Velshari Armory. Have a wonderful day, and may the gods go with you, and forge your own path, kid.